What is good, YouTube? The Swift one here. Early in the morning. Raining outside in Ohio.
My tablet.
So I guess it's kind of a good thing that I don't have my drone because I can't go fly. That's kind of what this is about. Something kind of touched me a little bit this morning. Woke up, got on YouTube like I always do. And there was a comment that was left. I think it was from the second video I did yesterday. I can't remember if it was the second one or the first one. Not from ProMark. Not from the people who have been holding my drone hostage, who have had it for like a month now, just to fix one simple motor. You know, the title of that video was DJI Phantom wannabe ProMark customer service sucks or something like that. So who did I get a comment from? I got a comment from DJI expressing how that they were sorry about the inconvenience that I've had, and if there's anything they can do to help, to please let them know. And I just, that really kind of made me wish that I did have the money for a DJI, or I was more experienced of a flyer, because I definitely don't want to go destroying a DJI Phantom Pro if I get one, or advanced. But that just made me feel good. That showed me what real customer service is about right there. You know, and it just hit me a little bit, and I got to the point last night where I did call ProMark and tell them, hey, just send me my shit back however it is. A 5-year-old can fix it. I don't know why you've had it for a month. You literally unsolder two wires, solder two wires, put all the screws back in, and you're done. So, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about me wanting to thank DJI very much for taking time out. Hold on one second. My daughter keeps saying, Dad, Dad, Dad. Yes, baby. Ooh, scary. You've got a mask on. Scary. Ooh. It was more or less me saying thank you to DJI for taking the time out. Whoever you are, whoever worked at DJI that sent me this message, appreciate it. It shows me that you guys do good business and do have good customer service skills, and I would like to be able to do business with you on a regular basis sometime. Yes, I do want a Phantom. I do want the Pro or the Advanced. A lot of beautiful places around here I'd love to get some aerial shots of. But that's here nor there. I'm not trying to suck up to DJI. Well, yeah, I am a little bit. If you want to send me a Phantom, I'm not going to reject it. I'd be more than happy to have a Phantom. I'd just be happy to have my drone back right now. But anyway, like I said, super early in the morning, just woke up, threw the hat on because I didn't want to do my hair. Because, trust me, it looks weird in the morning. But with that being said, I'm going to get off here, go get in the shower. And you guys probably be seeing me here in a little bit. I think I'm going to do a video today. Not sure of what yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to do one. It's going to be raining, so it's going to be noisy out in the studio. But still, I'll get something put together for y'all today. Until then, the Swift one, stay humble.